Getting feedback is a normal part of any user experience role, whether it comes from your end users or your teammates and stakeholders. When you get feedback about your UX work, keep it organized. Use this framework to tag and assign feedback into 3 simple categories: action items, items to persuade, and items to clarify. Action items represent feedback you can address or resolve right away. It could be a simple copy change or reordering components in a design to better align with users' goals. These pieces of feedback are usually the most straightforward to get done. To persuade is for feedback you need to prepare a bit of a case against before addressing it. This category is helpful when you need more time to craft a response or when you lack the knowledge to answer a question posed in the feedback on the spot. It's also helpful for feedback you disagree with. Capture the feedback, mark it as to persuade, and decide what to do next to make your case. How might you convince the person that your approach or an alternative solution to what they suggested in their feedback is best? You may need to do additional user research, speak to another team, or ask your allies from product management and engineering to weigh in and back you up. Finally, unclear feedback or feedback you don't understand goes in the to clarify category. If something isn't straightforward, ask additional questions to get the answers you need. Once you've clarified the feedback, move it into one of the other 2 categories. Mark it as an action item or a piece of feedback that needs further persuasion. When UX inevitably gets busy, it's easy to lose track of feedback and forget what we need to resolve. Use this framework to stay on track and efficiently address feedback about your UX work.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live hands-on UX training.